America, let's talk. Since I've been existing in the metaverse now for however years, one thing I've done is I've tried to keep it safe where I can. And the next case is the reason why I do what I do. You may know her as Skye, and I know her as failed abortion. Now, before she comes out with her, "Oh, OhEdie, I have depression, OhEdie, what about me?" I don't have sympathy for PDFs. Also, a little birdie told me that you had my name in your mouth. Is she here? Where is she? Where you at, bitch? Where is she? I thought she was in the chat. Where is she? Well, enjoy the show, little bitch. So, can I get into something real quick? This is what she had to say about OhEdie.
And OhEdieVR, I'm gonna say this now. You but go based off of VR chat drama. You live for the drama. In no way, shape or form have you helped anyone.
Okay. Now, listen to your auntie. Okay? I do love the drama. I've made a living doing this. The difference is this. I have got 2 PDFs investigated by the police in real life. I've got multiple minors' families removing them off the internet who have lied about their age. And I've got several accounts banned and clubs had to go into hiding for allowing minors in there. That's what I've done. What you've done is get intimate with a 15-year-old boy. Got in a relationship with a 16-year-old boy. You sent your worn out pum-pum to a child. Not just that, you communicated with this minor the start of this year. Not just that, you come on this show, you admitted to everything you did. I said you're gonna leave the internet, and you're back on there. You also have a VR chat son who's a minor. And you know the sick thing about it is your friends and family support you. Not all of them. Your sister stopped you seeing your own niece or nephew because your parents told her that you are a fiddler. So before you want to catch what I have done or not done, Amira, you're a sick, bottom barrel individual. And then you cried and said, "Edie don't care about me or my depression." Can I be honest? You're right. I don't care about you. Not in the slightest. I have no sympathy for PDFs. I have no sympathy for any weirdos what do weird shit like this. Skye, you have no sympathy. The reason you're depressed is because you have to deal with the fact that you have harmed children's mentality by being involved with them. Not just that. Do you want to know something I found out? You ready to be gagged? Who's ready to be gagged? Who's ready to be gagged? You might want to make a clip of this, America. She got in a relationship with a child and thinks it's appropriate because he has DID and one of his personalities is an adult. What the fuck? What the hell is this? When I found out America, I was shaken to the core. What do you mean because they have DID and one of their alts is 20, 24 or 26? That you think you could date them knowing you know that they're a child? You know how disgusting this is, right? Listen to this. She's not only, because she's been on my court before where she admitted to everything. She admitted to being in a relationship with a child. She admitted to sending photos to a child. That's what Skye did, aka Twisted Angel.2, who has me blocked because she's petrified of me. When I joined Joker's chat last night, you know what she said? Oh great, OhEdie's here now. You know to be scared of me, bitch. And you want to know something? You know what she said? OhEdie, you have me scared. I don't want to leave my house anymore. I'm glad, Skye, that you are scared. I'm glad you're petrified, because now you know how you made those children feel when you took advantage. Twisted Angel.2. Not just that, your brother's also a sick bitch for defending you. Your real brother. And if he wants to have a conversation, he can pull up. Now, chat, I come with more gifts. Who wants more gifts? Ask nicely. Also, exclamation point donate if you'd like to donate. Or you can give subs in the chat. There's few people typing right now who ain't got subs. So let me see all these people who ain't got subs get gifted subs, everyone. Now, some may say, as her friend did, but he probably lied about his age. Right? Oh my god. What if she lied? What if he lied about his age? What if?
To say this now. Also, he had.
Hold on, not just that. Hold on.
You fucking grab your limb like just.
She made a mistake when the person lied about his age. You do understand? The person lied about his age multiple times, so she didn't know.
These kids who you date, their kids who you dated, they have come forward and said that you knew that they were minors. Aha! She
Like,
knew! All of them are saying this. She admitted it in my court show! What the fuck? She admitted it. That guy who's talking is her new boyfriend. Like, guys, not just that. Guess what? It's not over. You want to know what her boyfriend did? This sick freak. You want to know what he did? What made me mad? He got mad at an adult man and said, "I see why your child has autism." His child is 6. How is this okay? Let me tell you something. I ain't got kids, right? But my pain goes out to any parent who has to hear that from someone who hasn't even got kids. That's what I think. That is disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting. And he stood on it. He said it twice. Do you want more gifts? More gifts? Can a few people give subs? Can Kitten get a sub? Joker, are you Prime subbed here? I don't know if that's here. If Joker ain't got a sub, give Joker a sub. Gift Totally Gamer a sub. Give Kami a sub. What's a subscription? Someone in the chat will explain what a subscription is. Who wants more gifts, chat? This is what I mean. You know when I say in VR chat that these people have no knowledge and know nothing about the real world? Chris and Pluto, I see both of you and I love you both so much. Thank you. Chat. Pay attention to this right now. You want to know something disgusting what her boyfriend said? You want to know something disgusting what her boyfriend said? I don't know where these people come from. I don't know where they come from. So, you know the minors involved in this situation? In a couple of years, they're going to be adults, 18. You know what her boyfriend said? Ha ha ha. They're going to be adults soon, so your case is going to be thrown out the window. Do they not know how it works? These things, you can get someone up to... I've seen cases 25 years later. And this brings me to the next point. Here's the next video.
No. It does expire. It expires.
It expires.
It'll be
Your
old.
case, you have been wasted your whole time on this for no reason. Nope. You'll be expired. That's all it is. You have wasted your whole time on this. In the U.S. state of law, but in the U.S. state of law, it'll be expired. And in UK, no. In UK, no. Romeo and Juliet law will start activating in September. And the Romeo and Juliet law will start September.
Listen to me, you dumb bitch. First of all, the UK doesn't have the Romeo and Juliet law. Secondly, the majority of the US states don't follow the Romeo and Juliet law because they think it's inappropriate and disgusting, and most states are actually removing that law more than any other place. The UK has never ever been in support of this law. This is a US law. It's nothing to do with the UK. You dipshit. You idiot. You dumbass. You fool. What do you mean? The Romeo and Juliet law. Firstly, the child was 15 and she was like 20 or something. Secondly, the UK has not, and will not adopt that law. Who is this man? Where does he come from? Where did this little bitch get his education? What the fuck? God damn. His name is Shade. And he's dating her. And you wanna know what he said when he found out? He found out and he said, she used to be a PDF. I'm dating her, so if you think that makes me a PDF supporter, so be it. Let me tell you something. The world is focused on the wrong things. You're worried about which, they, them, it's are going into what toilets. You need to be worried about what the hell your kid's doing online when they're playing games and what the fuck they're doing here. Because I promise you something, sweetheart. No one's going to be trying to get you in the toilet. They're going to be getting them where there's no one around. And this is exactly where the fuck it's going. You're worried on less than 1% of the population when you should be worrying about the amount of grooming and what happens online. But they don't care. Right? Who wants another video? Who wants another present from OhEdie? You do? Say please, everyone, say please. Say please. By the way, here's the age thing.
Say this now. Also, he has DID, or quote-unquote DID. So he has alters. So the Aki person was 24, and the rest of his alts are 17, the same age as him. But there is a baby one as well, which hardly ever shows.
This stupid bitch. This stupid bitch.
And also, again, another fun fact. He was into older women. He dated a 19-year-old, an 18-year-old. All whilst he was 16. Oh, and also, he dated a 24-year-old. So don't just come after me for that shit.
We don't know those are the bitches, you dumbass. We're going after you because you're trying to justify what the fuck you're doing to a child. Skye. Sicko. There's actually something a lot worse as well. There's something a lot worse what I want to play. Now, I don't know who this is. I'm sure Joker's about to tell me. Put me in an instance with this bitch. Someone. Put me in an instance with this bitch what I'm about to play. Okay? I will end court right now. Shade, go over to Twitch where there's 200 and certain people. Get your ass over there. Because let me ask you something. I wanna speak to you. I wanna talk to you. Shade is watching. Go over to Twitch, it's OhEdieVR. Let me ask you, are you the person who... Wait, is Shade the boyfriend? Oh my god, you sick motherfucker. Shade, I'm gonna show you something real quick. I'm gonna show you something, right? You know how you just said a second ago? You know you just said a second ago in your video that she didn't know the age, right? Remember you said that? That she didn't know the age, right?
You fucking grab your limb like this.
She made a mistake when the person lied about his age. You do understand? The person lied about his age multiple times, so she didn't know.
These kids who you date, they're kids who you dated. They have come forward and said that you knew that they were minors. Do you see that, Shade? Your girlfriend? He's in Twitch right now, I'm sure. He's in Twitch. You see how your girlfriend admitted that she knew their age? You know that your girlfriend apologized and she admitted everything she did? Not just that. I'm gonna get your ass in a second, Shade. I'm gonna get you. You can request to join me and come in court. And I'll let you speak. I'll let you speak. But after I've let you speak, I'm about to tear you up. Now, he wrote, you ain't got nothing on me. I say this and I'm gonna be so for real with you, Shade, okay? Take it how you want to take it. You sound like a big back, balding Caucasian male who is probably way too big for his seat, sitting there with Doritos, trying to impress some girl and do anything because in the real world, you ain't got no attention from any bitch. I promise you. You lack femininity in your life that you have to resort to VR because you are so desperate for a woman's validation that you decided to start dating a PDF. You know what? You said something to me, dipshit. You said, oh, if people think that it makes me a PDF supporter, it doesn't. I classify you an enabler. By that, it means that you enable that behavior. You're as much as a predator to that child as the person committing the crime. And everyone knows her information, Skies. And I hope that yours comes to play so we can let your work know, your family know where you stand on this. And trust me, my bunch are a very messy bunch. We can find your bold ass anywhere. There's a reason why your girlfriend is scared of me. I'm the queen of the metaverse, baby. I don't play games. I invented them. Your sick freak of a girlfriend who is probably sitting with you right now. Oh my god, Ada is talking shit about me. You're vile. And let me say something. If you think that you can be yappy, pull up. Pull up. I will end my life right now. Pull up. Pull up! Otherwise, shut the fuck up. You weak ass man. Nope, I'm not giving you attention. What are you doing now? You dumbass bitch. You know your girlfriend was a fan of me. You know she was obsessed with me. Do you know that? You know your girlfriend was obsessed with me. You know she was a fan. You know why she was a fan? It's because I hold people accountable. The reason she became a hater is because I held her accountable. I'ma get you, Shade. 1, 2, OhEdie's coming for you. Dumb bitch. We're not done. Everyone, get to Twitch right now. I think, oh my god, it's me, Skye. It's watching on Twitch. Pull up there. Go over there, go to Twitch. But let me tell you something. If you want to, if you want with me, pull up. You or that bitch. I'll end my live. I'll record it. Pull up. Pull up. Now, I have this effect, America. I have this effect on people. You know, people ain't scared of me because of I'm loud. You know why people are scared of me? It's because I tell the truth. I just debunked this man on him saying that she didn't know their age. He had nothing to say about it. He had no comeback. Instead, I'm sure she was in his ear. Oh my god, I died and I lived alive. How you dating a bitch what sounds like that? She sounds like a goddamn creature from Harry Potter, bitch. Now, I want to go off on someone real quick. Whoever this is I'm about to play in this video, I want you to, bitch. Whoever I'm about to play in this video, you probably know who I am. I want you. Put me in a world of you as well. Understood? Listen to what she says.
Why are we only taking the adult in the situation and not about the child? Because the child is still competent enough to, you know, go after adults.
You fucking idiot bitch. You idiot bitch. Do you know that? I hope you never have kids. I hope the kids around you are taken away. She just put the blame on the child. Who is she? What's her name? What is her name? I want her name. I want her name. You don't know her name? You know what? I have a screenshot. Hold on. I have a screenshot of all the names who he said was in the chat. Playing with me in my face, bitch, like it's something. Hold the fuck up. Is that Marina Puppet? Is that her? Is that Marina Puppet? You know what? Hold on. Let me search her name. It is Marina? Okay. Marina Puppet. I want it. I want all the smoke with you. I want all the smoke with you. I want it. I want it. Pull up. Pull up. Sick fucking freak. You, Skye, and him, man. All of you. Pull up at the set. It's all three of you. I'll get all three of you at once. Pull up. All three of you at once. Pull up. I'll invite you right now. I'll end the live. All three of you, come on. Come on. Come on. It makes me so angry, guys. It makes me so angry. It makes me so angry. She said, why are you going after the predator? Why aren't you attacking the kid? Yo, I'm getting heated. Like, I'm starting to sweat a little bit. Like, I'm starting to sweat a little bit. Like, I'm getting heated so much. She's admitted to everything she's done. She's admitted to knowing their age. She's admitted to being inappropriate. She's admitted to sending photos to them. And all of it, and her man support her, and her friends think that the child should be to blame. Her man ran away because I just tore him up, and Marina's bitch ass isn't gonna dare step to me. These bitches are scared. They only want to do this when there's kids. Of course he's private at his account. He's scared. What do you mean? You was dating him because his DID personality was 24. Even though you knew he was a minor. I want hair arrests. I want them all done. I want all of them done. I want all of them done. I want all of them. I want to fight with them right now. I want to drag them. I want a battle of the words. All three of them at once. Come here. Twisted Angel, I know you've been obsessed with me and my shows. Bitch, come and meet your hero. It's a free meet and greet for you. It's a free meet and greet for you. Pull up. A free meet and greet. Come on.
And OhEdieVR, I'm gonna say this now. You but go based off of VR chat drama. You live for the drama. In no way, shape or form have you helped anyone.
We've got 2 PDFs investigated in the real world. We've had multiple minors taken off the internet who have been lying about their age. We've got events and clubs taken down and removed and blacklisted. While she's been hanging out inappropriately with children, she talks to people who are under 16. She sent explicit photos to people who are under 16. She's lying that she's not been in contact, but even exposed herself for being in contact with them. She made a confession, admitted to everything that she did, saying she's going to leave TikTok because, oh my god, she got caught out. But she's back on TikTok. Not just that, she's got VR chat kids who are minors. And on top of that, she went after someone's 6-year-old child. Yes, she went after Joker and Kitten's 6-year-old child. They were taking the piss that the child has autism. Let me tell you something. Say that shit in front of me. Say it in front of me. Please. I want to cry. I want to cry because I can't speak to these people. Like, I want to speak to them. Chris, thank you so much. Ghosty, thank you for subscribing. And Quintrell, thank you for subscribing. Do y'all ever get so angry that you can't, because you can't do nothing, it makes you angry? That's how I feel. That's how I feel. And this is going online, Skye. An updated version of you not learning to shut the fuck up and stay off the internet. And the thing is, people know her information. They know where she lives and everything. She needs to be arrested. There needs to be a public humiliation. Wherever she works, studies, let them know. If her family support her, let their work know that they support their child doing this. Let me say something. Skye, Shade, Marina, which of you freaks. I'm not the one, and I'm the one to never do it with. Get the fuck off the internet. Get off. Because I'm playing nice with you right now. I'm playing very nice with you right now. I told you what will happen if you keep running your mouth and acting a goddamn fool, and I stand on what I said. I'm not going to repeat it here, but you know what I said. Play with me. Play with me. My next live stream isn't going to be in VR. It'll be IRL.